Hi, everybody. Guess who? Ken and
Teresa, hello.
Back at you again. This time we thought we'd talk about the cold weather. When do you start getting sick?
It's not cold.
When, not in Arizona, but it's colder than it was. You start getting sick when the weather changes. When you go from your 80s and 90s, now the highs in the 70s. You go out in the morning to the car to go to work, and it's chilly. But you haven't figured out it's time to put a coat on yet or anything, because it still gets in the 70s in the afternoon. Now, worse than that, I'm in Arizona, so is she, obviously. And we went from 110 a month ago to 90 3 weeks later. Now we're in the 80s, and this week is supposed to be in the 70s. So I go out in the morning. By the time I get to work, my nose is running. I'm not sick. It's just like, what's this cold weather stuff? So here's a couple tips. All right, first one. You put X39 at the point of issue or discomfort. So if your throat's a little sore, put it up here in your throat. Then you take the Alavida patch and you put it in the middle of the sternum, like right here, or 4 fingers below the belly button. And
this should help. X39 always works.
Always helps, yeah.
My favorite, X39.
Okay, another option is you take the energy enhancer patches. There's a white one and a tan one. You put the white one on your thumb,
go up
between your fingers in here. And you put the tan one on your left hand, just in the little indent right there, just below your thumb.
He was painting today.
Yeah, I worked. Can you believe it? She made me. But I got ribs for it. Yum. Then you put glutathione just below your throat, like right up here. And you put carnosine 6 fingers above the belly button, so about here. And one of those two, yeah, ribs, yum. So that's a couple options to help keep you healthy as the weather changes.
Yeah.
So that's this week's tip. We'll see you next time. Have a good one.
Bye-bye.
Say bye.
Bye-bye.